9th class history చరిత్ర ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ ది ఫ్రెంచ్ రెవల్యూషన్.
ఈ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చేసినాయా? చదివారా? చదవండి. 3, 4, 5, 6 ఈ 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ చెప్పుకుందాం. రాసుకోండి నోట్స్. థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్, డిస్క్రైబ్ ది లెగసీ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్రెంచ్ రెవల్యూషన్ ఫర్ ది పీపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ ది వరల్డ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ది 19th and 20th centuries. Answer. First point, the French Revolution was the first national movement that adapted the ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity. These ideals became the basic principles of democracy for every nation in the 19th and the 20th century. Second point, these ideas spread from France to the rest of Europe, where the feudal system was abolished. Third point, colonized people reworked on the idea of freedom from bondage into their movements to create a sovereign nation state. Fourth point, the idea of nationalism that arose after the French Revolution inspired the Germans, Italians, and Australians to overthrow that oppressive regimes. Fifth point, the French Revolution inspired the struggling nations of Asia and Africa who were growing under the oppression of European colonialism. Sixth point, Indian leaders such as Tipu Sultan and Raja Ram Mohan Rai were deeply influenced by the ideas that came from the French Revolution. Fourth question, draw up a list of democratic rights we enjoy today whose origins could be traced to the French Revolution. Answer. The following are some of the democratic rights that we can trace the origin from the French Revolution. First point, right to equality including equality before law. Second point, right to vote. Third point, right to freedom of speech and expression. Fourth point, right against exploitations. Fifth point, right to justice. Fifth question, would you agree with the view that the message of universal rights was best with contradictions? Explain. Answer. Yes, the message of universal rights was best with contradictions because, first point, the rights were given only to the males in the society. Women were not given any rights. Second point, women were ignored. Third point, right to vote was not given to all the citizens. Fourth point, though a lot was done with good intention, a lot of improvement was left. Sixth question, how would you explain the rise of Napoleon? Answer. First point, after Robespierre's rule came to an end, a directory was formed to avoid concentration of power in one individual. Second point, but the political instability of the directory paved the way for the rise of Napoleon. Third point, Napoleon Bonaparte took the reign of power as a military director in 1804. Fourth point, Napoleon saw his role as a modernizer of Europe. Fifth point, Napoleon introduced many laws such as the protection of private property and a uniform system of weight and measures provided by the decimal system. Sixth point, his rise to power did not last for a long time. Napoleon was finally defeated at Waterloo in 1815.